Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this daily update on Jasmy, where we're going to do a full update. We'll focus on the technicals. I mean, I wanted to go over kind of their developments as well. To my knowledge, there's not really anything major going on at this point of time. Listing on CoinW, which is not a good exchange, I think. But overall, look, Jasmy, and I've said this before. Jasmy is a serious project, all right. And at some point of time, it's just a matter of time before there will be some sort of development, either for Jasmy specifically or regarding crypto in Japan. And Jasmy will rally, but at this point of time, it doesn't really seem like anything is going on, or it doesn't seem that the market is finding anything bullish enough to really get that bullish momentum going. Now, personally, I think the technicals are still great, all right? And there's multiple reasons for that. I mean, I think the situation that we are in right now is that we already got some kind of premature bullish momentum with this breakout right here, right? So here we had some nice momentum, broke out, turned into a fake out, because in my opinion, the most important key level we have, I'll just use this one. Excuse me. The most important key level we have is this. All right, it's this level right here. Break above that, you're bullish. Break below that, especially after breaking above that, and that's bearish. So what I'm waiting for is that level to break, all right? I got my price alert set up. I think eventually we'll break above that. I think the markets are bullish. So it's waiting for that. I mean, you can see the market in between in multiple ways. Like one way you can see it is that we are in kind of a situation like this. Where we are in a triangle, and we'll see something and we'll see something like this, right? So we'll stay here, and then eventually we'll break out and rally up to 2.5, 2.55, and then eventually also break above that. It's either like that's the way you can see it. Personally, I think like in general, I expect us to break above 2.3 and 2.25 cents. And I think that's the best opportunity, but I don't really like if you say that triangle is what we're doing right now. What you say inherently is that we are trending, right? Because that means that there's some sort of a higher low structure that's building up towards the resistance. That's a triangle, and that will break out. And I don't see that uptrend. I don't see that momentum. If you look at the CVD in combination with the open interest, it's relatively low, all right? That there's no sign of any momentum coming in here. I think the markets are bullish, and that's also why I do expect us to eventually do this. But for now, I actually think it's a little bit more likely that this is a consolidation, so that we will not respect the trend line, and that we could even, if Bitcoin pulls back a little bit deeper into 60, 61, 62,000, etc., we could even fall back down to 2 cents. And then, I think 2 cents is a great buy area as well. I don't think we'll drop down lower, except for if some sort of an atomic bomb goes off. But that's possible. And then eventually we'll break out. And I'll keep you updated on that. And I will definitely take that trade, because I think there's some mean reversion to do for Jasmy as well. And what I mean with that is that I think Jasmy, if you compare to other altcoins right now, is still relatively low. So there's definitely potential for Jasmy. Both technically and fundamentally, which mean reversion I also think is technically. But it's just waiting for the right moment. And for me, the right moment is not here yet. I think the right moment is coming, so I'm not bearish on Jasmy. But for now, we're just consolidating. We're waiting for the right moment. For me, the ideal areas to enter is either after a breakout above 2.3 cents or around that 2 cents area, as long as Bitcoin is holding on relatively well. But those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week, and bye.